How to delete Battle.net application on your Android device. Are guys facing is to delete your app on Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To delete application on your Android device, just head over to this Battle.net on your home screen. After you go there, just hold it for a second. After you hold it, you'll be able to see three options: app info, desktop shortcut, and uninstall. You are looking to uninstall the app, right? Just tap on uninstall. After click on uninstall, you can see this option for do you want to uninstall this app. You are looking to uninstall it, right? Just tap on OK. After you click on OK, the Battle.net app will be instantly deleted on your mobile device. So as you guys can see, the app has been uninstalled on our device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Battle.net application, make sure to check out our channel for your guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to delete app on your Android device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.